Hi, I'm Kirsten Hansen, and I'm super thankful that I was able to take EL343. I learned so much, and I don't know what I'd do without this class. So the three topics that I was able to pick up on and have enjoyed learning about this year was probably, let's start off with the first topic we learned about, which was addition and subtraction in the lower grade levels. I love that we learned how to use our multiplicative kits such as base 10 blocks, even regular blocks, pictures, using whiteboards and markers to draw out stuff to help younger students figure out how to add and subtract. I thought that was brilliant, and I 100% plan on using those kind of methods in my classroom. The next one I am glad that we went over was geometry and stuff like that, because I wasn't very comfortable with it, but after learning it and like getting ready to teach my lesson about it, I learned so much about geometry and like the different shapes and stuff, and I really think that I know it thoroughly now. Being able to teach that lesson and go back and match the standards with it and stuff was super helpful, and I'm really glad. The third lesson would be graphing. I love to graph, honestly. I love to plot points. I love to find points, stuff like that. I just love it. So I'm glad that we were able to go over that and use like our manipulative papers that were provided to help us with it. I really hope that we get some of those manipulative kits in our classroom, because I think they will be super helpful. When looking at the standards and stuff we did, I am glad that we went over the Common Core standards for mathematics, because I was not educated well in that. So I am super glad that we were able to go through them and figure out which standard goes with which lesson. It's going to help me out so much when I do my own lesson plans and stuff like that. And this is going to help me as a teacher, because now I know that, like, oh, hey, geometry goes at this grade level, or oh, hey, we need to do addition and subtraction at this grade level. And I think that's going to be great. So describe two areas that I need help with. I would definitely say multiplication and addition facts, not addition, but multiplication and division. I know them, I'm just not super fast with them, so I need to be able to know like what's 6 times 6, 36, that fast and stuff like that. I plan, honestly, to continue to do extra math every once in a while or stuff like that to just help me, because I know I'll need to know them in the classroom, and I plan to use them in the classroom. Another thing I would probably say is measurements such as like 1/4 also equals something else. I know like the common stuff like 2/4 equal half, but it's like when you throw other stuff in there, I need to touch up on that, and having this class has helped a lot with that, but I plan on kind of reviewing that more and more as I become a teacher. But I am super thankful that I was able to take this class and have you as a teacher. You're amazing, and thanks for everything.